Wait, hold on. Let me put on my lip gloss. That is so much more better. Okay, guys, so we're gonna be making a 3-ingredient chocolate hazelnut Nutella brownies. That's crazy. Only 3 ingredients. Okay, guys, so let's get started. First, you gotta set the oven to 350. Perfect. Okay. Wait, guys, we can't forget this step though. We gotta spray our pan with non-stick butter spray. Oops. And if you accidentally put too much, don't worry. Just grab some paper towel, fold it up, then you just lightly spread it all over the pan. Oh! You do not want too much. The 3 ingredients are Nutella, 3 eggs, and a cup of flour. Okay, let's get started with the mixing. So first, with the Nutella, you'll need 2 1/2 of Nutella in the bowl. But this one's halfway, so that's why I have a second one here too. Okay, so let's put it in the bowl. Wow, so creamy. Now for the 3 eggs. Oops. There's one. Let's get the second one. 2. Wow. Okay, now time for the 3rd one. And 3. There. Okay, let's start mixing. Sorry guys, I accidentally made a mistake. You don't mix it after the eggs. You mix it after you're done putting in your 1 cup of flour. Okay, now we mix. Now let's pour it in. Oops. Now we spread it. Wow, so satisfying. Guys, more it dries, more you see the brownie texture. Wow, look how gorgeous this is turning. Okay, I am done spreading. So you're gonna have to put this in the oven and let it bake for about 25 minutes. Let's put it in. This is a really quick, yummy snack to bring to a party. While we wait, let's dance. We let them cool. Now let's cut them. Ooh, nice and soft in the middle and crunchy on the outside. Let's grab a little piece for me. Ooh. Wow. Okay, record me. I'm gonna eat this. Let's try it. These are really good. Have it. 3 ingredients and simple and easy brownies. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and do a thumbs up. Bye.